In recent years, it has become clear that financial crises require extraordinary measures from the state. But such measures are difficult if, for example, states are sued by investors before international arbitration boards. The possibility of dispute settlement is increasingly provided for investment protection agreements and shall also be integrated into the planned EU agreements with Canada and the USA. Such dispute settlements offer companies very strong protection for their investments. Any government actions that harm investors and reduce their profits or profit expectations can be disputed. The negotiations are largely conducted in secret. The settlements are usually decided by people who work for private law firms. It is not possible to appeal against a ruling. Due to rulings or fear of being brought to court, political policy is limited in its scope. Currently, the economic crisis in Greece is smouldering in Europe. This crisis erupted in 2010. The austerity programs prescribed by the EU worsened the situation, and investors pushed for a repayment of all debts. But ultimately, Greece could not repay its debts under any circumstances.